And now we have already looked at aerobic respiration, which is respiration in the presence of oxygen, and now we're going to be looking at the fermentation pathway that occurs in the absence of oxygen. So just a few key notes here. Fermentation is the respiration pathway when oxygen is absent. We already know that. Oxygen is absent or cells are using it faster than supply. So oxygen can also be absent because say your muscles are under intense exercise, they're going to be using that oxygen as soon as it gets to the muscle cells from the blood. So because of that, there won't be enough oxygen for aerobic respiration to happen all the time. So it will also have to carry out some fermentation or anaerobic respiration, whatever you prefer to call it. And second of all, this all occurs in the cytoplasm. So while in the last lesson, the first stage was in cytoplasm, and the second stage for aerobic respiration is in mitochondria. This all occurs in the cytoplasm for fermentation, and pyruvate is converted to other substances. Because if you remember, the first stage we have here, that can still happen in fermentation because it doesn't require oxygen. The first stage happens without oxygen in aerobic respiration as well. But it's the second stage that uses oxygen. So that part, the breakdown of the pyruvate, that's the part that's going to differ. So, as I just said, the first stage still occurs. Glucose is broken down into 2 pyruvate molecules. This breakdown releases energy that is then used to form 2 molecules of ATP per glucose molecule. So, now that we've taken a look at that, let's go ahead and look at our next few stages.